Hello class 7. In chapter 5 spreadsheet and introduction, we are going to discuss today cut and paste. What is the cut and paste? It is a feature of MS Excel where a part of the worksheet is removed from the original locations and pasted at the desired location. It is cut or removed from one place and pasted at the desired location. In this option, you can shift the content of the cell or range of cells from one place to the desired place. So what are the steps? First step, select the cells or range of cells. Click cut button which is on the clipboard of the ribbon. When you click on the cut, the selected range of cell will be surrounded with dotted lines. Now take the cell pointer to the desired location where you want to paste. Click paste option. You will find data shifted to the new location and the original location from which content was cut would remain blank. It is left blank. So to remove that blank space, what you do, click delete option from the cells group and click delete sheet rows from the drop down list. After selecting, and the blank rows are deleted and the tables get arranged. So let us see all these steps in MS Excel. First you have to select the range. Then click on the cut button, then take the cell pointer where you want to paste it, click on the paste and then select the blank cells, click on the delete, click on the delete sheet. Let us do it. Open the MS Excel. Open our worksheet 7. Now, see, I'm going to remove Abhishek Kumar, Aditi Barma and Chandra Kumar. We are going to cut and paste. Just select. All three selected. Now in the ribbon area here is a cut option. Click on the cut button. It becomes a dotted line. Okay, dotted line. Now suppose here you want to paste. To click on the paste. Let's see, paste it. Now this blank area is left. So to remove the blank area, select the range. Click on the delete. Click on the delete sheet rows and see blank space is adjusted. So this way we can use the cut and paste option. And wherever you want to paste, we can paste. Alright. Now our next is copy and paste. What is copy and paste? It is a feature of MS Excel where you can copy a certain part of worksheet to your desired location. In this option, you can make a duplicate copy of a cell or range of cells at different locations. Means it remains at the same place also and at the destination also. The steps are: select the cells or range of cells. Click copy button. The selected cells will appear with dotted lines. Take cell pointer to the desired location. Take cell pointer to the desired location where you want to paste. Click paste option and the contents of the cells range of cells are pasted at the desired feature. Let us do it. Open MS Excel. Open our worksheet 7. Now you want to copy the whole thing. Select the whole thing. Click on the copy. Became dotted. You want to paste here. Come and click on the paste. You want here also. Click on the paste. You want here also. Click on the paste. Means wherever you want, you just click and paste. Okay, and it remains at the same place also. So this way we can do the copy and paste. Now what are the differences between the cut, paste and copy paste? First difference, it is a cut paste is the process of moving a block from one place to another. It is a process of moving a block from one place to another. Copy paste is the process of making duplicate copies of the block of worksheet. And the shortcut key for the cut is Ctrl plus X and shortcut key for copy is Ctrl plus C. So learn it from the book. Next is autofill feature. See, MS Excel provides autofill feature to fill the series of values automatically in the cells without entering them manually one by one. It must be series, like series of odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, series of even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, table of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, like this. Sunday, Monday, January, February. We can do by the autofill feature. What are the steps? Enter the first two values of the series in consecutive cells. MS Excel refers the first value as the starting value and the gap between the both the values as step. Select both the values to extend the range. Bring the mouse pointer to the right bottom of the selected cells, right corner of the selected cells, and the mouse pointer changes to plus sign. Drag the mouse down up to where the values are to be filled. Finally, release the mouse button, and the selected cells are filled with the series of values. The series may be a set of numbers like even number, odd numbers, multiples, with any order, days of week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or name of the months like January, February, March. The first step, enter the first two values. So let us do it in MS Excel. Suppose F cell. We want odd number 1, 3. Okay. Steps are select and see this right bottom corner. Drag it down. See. Series 1, 3, 5, 7. Ready. We want even number 2, 4. 2, 4. Select and right bottom corner drag down. See, even number. Suppose you want table of 5. The right 5, 10. Okay. Select the corner and table is created. You want Sunday, Monday. Type Sunday. Done. Select and drag it. See, only Sunday is coming, so Monday also you have to select. Right here, Monday. Now select and drag. See, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. So this way you can create the autofill feature. Once again, see Sunday. Select, drag it down. Oh, I made mistake. Type here Sunday. SUNDAY. Drag down. See Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Same about January, February. JANUARY. January. Select and drag. See January, February, March, April, May, June. So this is called autofill feature of MS Excel. By using this autofill feature, the series will be filled automatically. Or Sunday, Monday, January, February, this type of words can be printed. So in today's class, what we have learned? We have learned the cut and paste. We have learned the copy and paste. We have learned the difference between the cut paste and the copy paste and autofill feature. So chapter is over. Next day we will discuss the question answer. In the class, learn the steps and practice. Thank you.